Omar stops his motorbike. He looks at his phone. 14 Garden Lane. Everything is correct. For a moment, he thinks he made a mistake, except the place in front of him, because this is not a house. There are lights everywhere. Omar doesn't move. He just stands there, holding two large pizzas. So, whose wedding is this? And why does someone want pizza tonight? This is Omar. He is 23 years old. He works as a pizza delivery driver. Omar likes his job. It is simple. Pick up the pizza, find the address, deliver it. Done. Tonight is Friday. Friday is always the busiest night. Omar's manager calls him. Omar, one more order, 2 large pizzas. Address is 14 Garden Lane. Go quickly, the customer is waiting. Okay, I'm leaving now. Omar puts the pizzas in his delivery bag. He starts his motorbike, and he rides into the night. The streets are busy. Music comes from restaurants and cafes. People are laughing and eating outside. Omar checks his phone. Garden Lane, 5 minutes away. He rides past small houses, past a park, past a quiet street with tall trees. Then he sees it. Hundreds of lights, music, loud, happy music, and people, many, many people, all wearing beautiful clothes. Omar slows his motorbike. He checks his phone again. 14 Garden Lane. This is the right address. But this is not a house. This is a wedding. Omar stops his motorbike near the entrance. A man in a black suit walks towards him. Excuse me, can I help you? Yes, hello, I have a delivery. A delivery? Here, tonight. Omar looks around. Everyone is dressed in white and gold. There are flowers everywhere. A beautiful wedding cake stands near the entrance. I'm sorry, is this a private event? I think maybe I have the wrong address. The wedding guest laughs a little. Well, it is a wedding. But please, wait here one moment. Omar stands at the entrance. He holds his delivery bag. He feels very confused. Around him, guests are dancing, children are running. An old man is playing music near the garden. Omar thinks, this is the strangest delivery of my life. Here is something interesting. Did you know that food delivery became one of the fastest growing jobs in the world after 2020? According to the International Labor Organization, millions of people around the world now work as delivery drivers, especially in big cities. Now, back to Omar and his very unusual delivery. Then, a young woman in a beautiful white dress walks towards him. It is the bride. She is smiling, a big, warm smile. Are you the delivery driver with the pizzas? Yes, I am. I'm sorry, I think I have the wrong... No, you have the right address. I ordered those pizzas. You ordered pizza? Tonight? At your own wedding? Yes, wedding food is beautiful, but it's never enough. I wanted real food after the ceremony, so I ordered pizza. Omar begins to laugh. So, I am in the right place. Exactly the right place. The bride takes the pizzas inside. Some wedding guests gather around, curious, laughing, taking photos. One older guest says, "Pizza at a wedding. Now that is something different." The groom walks over and shakes Omar's hand. "Thank you, my friend. You made tonight even better." "Happy to help. Congratulations to both of you." The bride returns with a small envelope. "This is for you. A little extra for the surprise delivery." Omar opens the envelope. A big tip. Then the bride hands him something else. A plate with a large piece of wedding cake. He eats the cake near his motorbike, under the lights, with music playing softly behind him. Then he puts on his helmet, starts his motorbike, and rides back into the city, smiling the whole way home. Sometimes things look like a mistake, but they are not. Stay calm, be polite, and always deliver the pizza. Before you go, one question for you. Why did the bride order pizza at her own wedding? A. She forgot to order food for the guests. B. She wanted a secret snack after the ceremony. C. The wedding food was not ready. Write your answer in the comments below, A, B, or C. And if you enjoyed this story, like this video and follow for more English stories every week. Thanks for watching.